Hello friends, this is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's do some drumming with metronome to make your hands more skillful. You need to get 3 blue squared beanbags and 2 yellow triangles. You can use construction paper and cut out the squares and triangles, 2 drumsticks or 2 markers that are blue and yellow. Balloons are optional. I'm going to put balloons on my drumsticks so they correspond to the color of my beanbags. Put 2 blue squares in front of you and they will each have 1 tap. Hold the drumstick in your right hand. Ready, set, go. Now try it by yourself. Ready, set, go. Take the 2 blue squares away and put 2 yellow in front of you. Each yellow triangle will have 2 taps. Ready, set, go. Can you try it by yourself now? Ready, set, go. Move the blue square in front of 2 triangles now. Hold the blue drumstick in your right hand and yellow in your left. Ready, set, go. Your turn to do it by yourself. Ready, set, go. Move your shapes so that the square is in the middle now. Triangle will have 2 taps and the square will have 1. Ready, set, go. Do it by yourself now. Ready, set, go. Move your shapes so that the blue is last. Ready, set, go. Let's try it by yourself. Ready, set, go. Let's add another blue square to the end. Ready, set, go. It's your turn now. Ready, set, go. Switch the square with the triangle so you get a pattern. Ready, set, go. Do it by yourself now. Ready, set, go. Copy my pattern by adding another square, blue drumstick in your right hand and yellow in your left. Ready, set, go. It's all you now. Ready, set, go. Can you copy my pattern again? Ready, set, go. By yourself now. Ready, set, go. This is our last pattern. Can you copy me? Ready, set, go. Try it by yourself. Ready, set, go. Nice drumming, guys. Now it's time for Kinder Egg. It's a holiday spinner. Thanks for playing with me today. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.